You and me? Oh, he's at the door? Alright, I'll be right there. Alright, I'm on my way right now. I'm on my way right now. Alright, here I come. Yo, what happened, nigga? How you doing, man? What's good? You ready? Come on, man. Fuck it. Let's get it done. The ride was okay? Alright, that's what's up. Yeah, we back here chilling. Yo, before we go in the studio, you want to roll some dice? What's up? You got that money? Fuck it, let's get the dice game going. It's been a long time, man. You looking good. That's what's up. Working out and shit. Fuck it, yo. We just doing our thing, you know what I'm saying? We just chilling. We got the lounge. So what you want to play, nigga? You want to play CeeLo? Alright, then this shit. I got the dice, nigga. Fuck it. What we gonna do? Fuck it. $300 a roll, nigga. Throw your money out there. Alright. Big spender. Here we go. Nigga, what? Can't fuck with me, Pac. What? Yeah. Here we go, Pac. You talking all that shit. Here we go. Woo! Beat the 5, nigga. Beat the 5. What's good, Pac? Oh! That's mine, nigga. Yo, Pac, man. Don't be looking at me like that. Don't get mad, Pac. Don't get mad. Oh, you don't want to play no more. Yo, Pac, you don't want to play no more? Nah? Alright, fuck it, nigga. Let's go record. Alright, yo, Pac, we're going to start from the top, alright? My boy Slim made this beat, so we're going to go from the top. Here we go, alright? Yo, Pac, you gonna say, what the fuck, nigga? You gonna say something? The chorus, man. Do the chorus. Yo, Pac, man, why you keep looking at me like that? Yo, Pac. Yo, nigga, stop looking at me like that, nigga. Come on. Let's get this shit going, nigga. You ready? Let's go. Yo, Pac, man. Yo, forget it, man. You got all these people out there looking for you, looking at you and shit, man. What's up, man? You're for your fans.
Hey, you really in there?
Hey, yo, Rose, you right there. That nigga's in there. Oh, shit. That nigga's in there.
Fuck it, yo. Yo, Pac, man, fuck it. Just come out the booth, Pac, man. Just come out the booth. I don't give a fuck about that look, nigga. Fuck that. Yo, just get out, man. Because, yo, I just don't like the way you looking at me and shit. So get the hell out. You gotta go to the bathroom. You gotta go to the bathroom? Nigga, the bathroom's right there. Bathroom's right there, my nigga. Oh, Mike's in there. Oh, my bad, Mike. Use the other bathroom.